All right, so for the first question here, we have to identify the base and the height. The base can, the A and B, or the A and B, which are parallel parts, can be either. So I'm going to call this A, I can call this B, I could call that B, I could call that A. And this is H. The formula is half A plus B times H. So if I want to find the area for this first question, I'm going to take a half multiplied by the sum of the areas, which is 10 plus 16, multiplied by the height, which is 8. So that's A plus B times H. Now that's going to be 26. When two brackets are next to each other and a half is in front, they all mean multiply across. So this will come to area is equal to a half of 13. So we could say a half times 13. Half times 26, sorry, a half times 26 is 13. And 13 times 8 is what we want to work out. Now what is 13 times 8? 8 times 3 is 24. Carry the 2. 8 times 1 is 8 plus 2 is 10. It'll come to 104 meters squared. And we're done. The next one, exactly the same thing. A equals half 120 plus 100. So that's going to be A, that's going to be B times the height, which is 20. And so from that, 120 plus 100 is 220. Now half of 20 is 10. 10 times 220 is 2,200. So 2,200 meters squared would be the answer here. All right, good. Now next one. That was question 2. Question 3. A half of the parallel sides. Now the parallel sides is these two. So it's A and B, either or. 18 plus 8 times 14. 18 times plus 8 is 26 times 14. Half of 26 is 13 times 14. What is 14 times 13? 3 times 4 is 12. Carry 1. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. Put a 0. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 1 is 1. Bring that 2 to 4 plus 4 is 8. And 182 will be the answer for this one here. Centimeters squared. And it's done. Now, next one. Area is equal to half A plus B, so 132 plus 146 multiplied by 93. That comes to 178. No, 278 times 93. And so we halved that and we multiplied by 93. The half of 200 is 100, and the half of 78 is 39 times 93. So let's work that one out. Let's say over here, just going to make a quick block here. And we're going to try and work that out without a calculator and see how far we can get. So we got 139 multiplied by 93. 3 times 9 is 27. Carry the 2. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 2 is 11. Carry the 1. 3 times 1 is 3 plus 1 is 4. Put a 0. 9 times 9 is 81. Don't put the 8 there. We put 1 there. And carry the 8. 9 times 3 is 27. 27 plus 8 is 35. Put the 5, carry the 3. 9 times 1 is 9 plus 3 is 12. That seems a bit weird, but let's check if it's right. This is going to be 9. 12987. 12987. All right, that would be the answer right here. We can just check it. Kilometers squared. I'm going to use a calculator to make sure I did this correctly, and then I'll redo it if it's wrong. Okay, so I'm going to just do this as an exercise. So 139 multiplied by 93. And I made a mistake at And this was supposed to be, this is actually 1. This is not 7, this is 1. So this is 2. That's right. This is 2, and so 12927. That's the answer there. And that's what we done. So 12927. That's what we want for this final answer here. Okay, so all done there. Without a calculator, and if you can do this like this, that's pretty good, because you're testing your ability